Hi everyone! Welcome back to a new episode of Quick Guide. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can download your OpenTable application on your Android device. Keep watching the video till the end. To download your OpenTable application, firstly open your Play Store. On the search box at the top type in OpenTable and make a search. The search results will be displayed on the screen. Simply tap on Install button right next to the application to begin the downloading process. While downloading the application, make sure that you are connected to a strong internet. After installation process is completed, tap on Open button to launch the application. Open the application and that is how you will be able to download your OpenTable application on Android device quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching.